So welcome to this video. We are going to see about the relative strength index, which is our technical analysis first video. And if you don't have any idea about the cryptocurrency, I have made many videos about the cryptocurrency, and you can literally go up there and you can just become an intermediate about the cryptocurrency. And the second step for the intraday or short term, we will just go by the technical analysis. So in this series, we are going to see about the indicators and strategies. So the best platform to view about the indicators and strategies is nothing but the tradingview.com, which I will just show you now. And actually we are going to see about the relative strength index. So go and search about the tradingview.com, and here in this website you can literally find out everything, because you cannot only just see about the cryptocurrency, you can also go and watch about the forex market or stock market. So here you just need to go for the screeners, and here you can just go for the crypto screeners, and here you will have bunch of cryptocurrencies. Let's take any cryptocurrency as an example. So I'm gonna go for the BTT or BitTorrent. So here you can just see the BitTorrent. Just right click and open the chart of the BitTorrent. So this is the chart of the BitTorrent USDT/USDT, that is Tether. So BitTorrent is also a great cryptocurrency which they hold the torrent file. So this is the uptrend market which has just given you a solid 50% of increment. So the FX symbol stands for the indicators and strategies. Here you just need to go for the build-ins, which you have hundreds of indicators and strategies, and I'm gonna show you about the relative strength index, which you are gonna select it and just cross the button, and here you can just see the relative strength index chart over here, and this indicates the ups and down trends of the market, which it goes accordingly. And here you can just change to day, second, even minutes. So this is how you're going to change about the market perception. So if I need a day market, I just go with the market which the candlesticks stands for the day accordingly, and I can just do it for weeks and months too. So in this chart, the relative strength index, the thing which you just see here down, which is like below 30, the line which falls below 30, it's nothing but the line, the point which the people have oversold the stock or cryptocurrency. So we do call it as the oversold. So this is the golden opportunity to buy the cryptocurrency if it is in only on the uptrend market. So if I just bought that cryptocurrency over here literally, and the line which you see at the top, it's nothing but the overbought market. So which it goes up more than the 70, we will just actually see most of the people have just started selling after that. So that is the place where you're gonna literally sell it off. So when it reaches down, actually it's gonna come up obviously. So the value you just see at 0.002059, actually after the market trend it goes for 0.0049 or something. So which is like literally 50% of profit which has just given you within a week, I guess. And this is how you can also predict the market, and this is how we are going to use the relative strength index. So if you don't have any idea about the cryptocurrency, you can just join our crash course, which is just going on the Telegram channel, where you can just pursue it and become a crypto millionaire or an entrepreneur. So the channel name is actually the Crypto Millionaire, and I will just teach you, or I will just give you 3 signals per day where you can just have a lump sum profits. And there is also a premium membership where you can just join using the $40. And if you want to really know everything about it, so I will just give you the link of my Instagram, where you can just DM me and ask about the membership and also about the crash course, so which you can just learn about the cryptocurrency, stocks, and even about the forex. Even though if you are in any country, you can just know about the stocks of the America, you can just know about the stocks of the India. So it doesn't matter, because the way you just need to analyze doesn't matter, right? That's the real way we are going to teach you on the Telegram channel. So if you haven't joined yet, just join using the link on the description. I will just stuck that link on the description. You can just join there. So as well as thanks for watching.